Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase the Easter book or any of the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. And today we're going to talk about the Tuesday before Holy Week, what's known as Day of the Divine Prisoner. The Divine Prisoner focuses on when Jesus was in prison awaiting crucifixion. And to celebrate, the clergy from the church next to the parochia, Santa Escuela, would have food prepared especially for the prisoners in San Miguel de Allende's jail. The day before, the priest would hear confessions and celebrate a mass at the prison. On Tuesday, church members, along with friends and family of the prisoners, would bring the image of Jesus behind bars and food to the prison. Today, due to security, only a priest and one other person are allowed into the prison to visit this day. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button below and get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.